Welcome back, guys. We're gonna be making some fondue in my microwave. We need some money first because any good cook buys his ingredients fresh from his building's vending machine. Dude, can you help me find some quarters? There's a lot of dimes here. I can't really tell the difference very well. We need 5 quarters. 4, 2. We'll be back in a sec when I find my quarters. So we're only using the freshest ingredients for this fondue. Not really sure which one of these candy bars would be the best to melt down. I think I have a good idea, but we're gonna try a Milky Way bar, see if that works. Now that you've got your only ingredient that you need, you can very easily and quickly create your food. So we're making fondue today. If you don't know what that is, I'm not really sure either. I'm guessing this is something like it. You take some extra cheesy goldfish, mix it in there. Good to go. While you're waiting, I need to fucking stop using this thing. I have $250 in traffic tickets. Fuck. Alright. In the trash. Jesus Christ. Yep. Wanna enjoy that. It's fondue. Really. I think really you should just enjoy this. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a journey. Learned a lot. Catch you later. Ugh, that's fucking disgusting. Oh my fucking god. Ugh.